Hey everyone, I just wanted to take a few minutes to kind of do a little bit of an overview of buying groups that I've talked a little bit about lately. Um, Really, the biggest time of year that I've found to be active in them and try to even play along and use them as a points and miles earning strategy or travel hacking strategy is the fourth quarter. It's by and far when the most deals happen online. So it's when more of the buying groups are offering deals that you can take advantage of if you make it a hack habit. So the quick overview is essentially these groups are companies that want to buy items cheap, generally electronics, but they range to other items, and they want to take advantage of good sales, whether it's Amazon, Target, whether it's Amazon Prime Day, whether it's Black Friday, whether it's just the holiday shopping season in general. They really want to take advantage of getting that iPad, Mario Kart game, uh, whatever the random item is. They want to take advantage of getting it very cheaply. Now, why do they want to do this? If they can buy something that normally retails for $600 and it's on sale for $400, they can make money on that spread. Well, most of these items are only limit one or two with these retailers, so they can't go out and source the amount that they need to then be able to go and sell them for $500, $550, $600. So they enlist the help of their buying groups or the members that join for free to buy these items on behalf of them. Now, you may be saying, it sounds a little fishy. It doesn't really make sense. So they're going to pay me to buy something for them and ship it to them at some random address. I don't know. I will say, risk brings reward. People have different levels of risk tolerance. That's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. This is not something you have to do to enjoy travel hacking. But if you want to try to earn millions of points a year like I do, you kind of have to be willing to do a lot of this kind of stuff to try to generate more points. Now, um, just a quick overview of a couple of the companies that I work with and do on it. In no real particular order: Buy For Me Retail, MYS Buying Group, PFS Buyers Club, and I just started actually working with PointsMaker. It's the one I have the least experience with at this point, but many other people speak highly of it. All four are a little different. I'll do separate videos, kind of tutorialing how to use each one a little bit. But the biggest thing I wanted to do is give you a couple tips and tricks if you want to get started in buying groups. First, start slow. Like anything, you have to get comfortable. You have to be willing to maybe make a mistake and make it a small mistake. Don't go out and buy a $1,500 laptop on your first purchase with it. They have deals ranging from $20, $30, $40 up to $2,000 or $3,000 at times. Sometimes they pay you a commission. So they'll be willing to say, buy this $800 iPhone and I'll give you an extra $10 or $20. Great, you're making a little bit of money for your time, but the real benefit is earning those points on that generated spend that's net even to you. So you may go out and spend $500 on a new iPad, but you didn't really spend the money. You're going to get reimbursed. You'll still earn those points, but not actually spend that money. So the easiest site probably to use it on is Amazon. I use Amazon a lot, because it's easy, but also it's easiest to go get gift cards. Now, a word of caution: gift cards can send up a red flag with Amazon that if you only ever use gift cards to make purchases and you're making thousands of dollars of purchases, Amazon may not like that, and there's been reports of people getting their account shut down or getting in trouble. I vary it up. I have multiple Amazon accounts for that very reason, so I'm not ever using too much on one account. So the overall process is kind of that you sign up for the club, they publish their deals. You sign up for a deal, you say, oh, that one looks good. I'll spend $395 for that iPad. You sign up for the deal, you go to the site, let's say it's Amazon, Best Buy, whoever. You go and buy that item. Make sure it's the same color they want. Make sure the price is the same. Be careful, the prices fluctuate on these retailers sometimes. So if they're offering $395 from the buying club, but the sale price went from $395 at Amazon up to $415, don't buy it. There's no sense in doing it at that point. You missed out, and wait for the next deal. But after you buy the item, they're going to want you to ship it to them directly. You can certainly ship it to your house first if you want, but I always just drop ship them straight to the buying club's warehouse location. Then anywhere from a day later to maybe 3, 4, 5 days later, they're going to check that item in and pay you for it. So they all have portals that are slightly different that you have to log that you made that purchase and what the tracking number is. But then within, again, 1-2 days, sometimes maybe 6-7 days, you're going to get either a check or direct deposit into your bank for that amount. So you sign up for the club, you sign up for the deal, you go and buy the deal. Let's say you spend $400, they're going to reimburse you $400. You've shipped it directly to them, they receive it, they pay you. The benefit, whether you're earning a 1 times, 2 times, 4 times, whatever your credit card that you use for that deal, you're going to earn those points for basically doing nothing but sitting on your couch and doing a little bit of shopping. A couple of the tips on the cards to use, again, I like to use Amazon because I can either go to the grocery store and use a card like the MX Gold or the Chase Flex to get 4 or 5 times back on that grocery spend. And I can stack it with Kroger fuel points. Or I'll go to a gas station, depending on the credit card bonus category at the time, and get 3, 4, 5, even 10 Marriott points per dollar at a gas station like Speedway, and then also get the Speedway gas points to then redeem those for gift cards later on as well. So there's a couple different ways to do it. Again, I'll do another video later on with tutorials, but I just wanted to kind of give you a little bit of an overview first. Again, start small, be very detailed, make sure that you're paying attention to the color, shape, size, SKU number of the product and the price. Also pay attention to stocking dates. Just because you can go and add something to your cart on Amazon, it may not ship for a month or 2 if it's out of stock. Personally, I don't want to tie up my money potentially for that long. So I'm only going to do deals that I know the item's going to ship within the next couple of days and actually get to the buying club's warehouse there pretty soon. So feel free to leave me a message if you have any questions. Again, this will be the first part of several parts of videos on Buying Club. And hopefully, you can use this as just another tool in building a hack habit and making sure that you guys earn a lot of points and miles to go travel for free. Thanks.